Getting ready for the FNP Board Exam? Here's what many students wish they knew before test day. Hey future FNPs, feeling nervous is totally normal. These quick tips are based on what past students learned the hard way, so you don't have to. Number 1, you don't need to know everything. Don't waste time trying to memorize every detail. Focus on major disease processes, high-yield medications, and red flag symptoms. Number 2, prioritize application over memorization. This exam tests how you think, not just what you know. Practice critical thinking questions to build real-world problem-solving skills. Number 3, use just 1-2 good study resources. Avoid information overload. Stick with 1 or 2 solid resources. Programs like the Academy, the Bronze Clinical Crash Course, or the Complete Test Prep Bundles at shop.latrinawaldenexamsolutions.com offer focused, effective prep tools. Remember, consistency is better than variety. Number 4, study breaks are productive. Long study marathons can backfire. Short, scheduled breaks actually help with focus and retention. Lastly, don't cram the night before. The night before is for light review and rest. Go over summary notes, then get good sleep. Exam day is about recall, not learning new content. Bonus tip: confidence is a skill. Walk into that exam room like the job is already yours. Show up prepared, dress the part, feel the part, and play the role. Write #NP in 5 minutes at the top of your scratch paper as a reminder. You're walking out as a certified nurse practitioner. Quick recap: focus on high-yield topics, practice critical thinking, use fewer, stronger resources, take strategic breaks, get rest before test day. For more test tips, study plans, and full review bundles, visit shop.latrinawaldenexamsolutions.com and check out other helpful videos right here on the channel. You've got this, one question at a time. Stay focused, stay calm, and go past that exam.